We're doing a huge phone case haul in this video, and I'm excited to show you all the cute cases we have for the new iPhone. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I'm pretty excited about this video because, as you know, I am a sucker for pretty things, pretty tech. But since the new iPhone 12 line didn't come out with colors that I like, I still really like the purple one, but there's no purple this year, we're gonna case it up. So first of all, the thing about iPhones is that there will always be phone case choices, and I love that. Now, this particular brand, LAUT, sent over their new line a lot of pretty glittery stuff, and I am waiting for my iPhone to come in any day now. But here's the deal, I ordered an iPhone 12 mini. These cases are for the iPhone 12. We're still unboxing though, because why not? And not only are we unboxing these pretty things, I of course wanted to see how they fit on the actual iPhone 12. So being a tech YouTuber with tech YouTuber friends, I asked for help from your tech girl Mary. So yes, we did get Mary to test out these cases. By the way, she has an iPhone 12 and an iPhone 12 Pro Max video. Check that out. Right, let's get to the unboxing because I am excited. Here we go, folks. This is actually a pretty big package for iPhone cases, but it is what it is, and it's here now. Let us open this up. As you can see here, it does say plastic cases for phones and plastic watch bands. So let's see. Ooh, that's a lot of cases. There we go. I already am seeing a pretty pink thing. I don't know why they shipped everything in a box this big, but adds to the effect, I guess. Let's check these out one by one. First up is this really pink and pretty thing. Transparent liquid glitter case with moving glitter pieces, liquid effect, moving elements, antimicrobial casing. Yes, we need that. Did you guys know that our phones are dirtier than public toilets? Yes, I have a video on how to clean your phones. I'll link it up here and down below. Meanwhile, back to the case. Gives us that branding. It's LAUT.com. Ooh, that's a nice plus. Packaging made from recycled materials. On the back, it says that this is shock resistant, wireless charging compatible, easy access because there are ports, and the liquid, the moving parts, it's securely sealed. Quick description of the design, which I'm gonna love because it says pink. And what I like about LAUT cases is they have this tiny little graph which shows you like how thick or slim the case is, and this is on the chunky side. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, that is just the prettiest thing ever. They're cherry blossoms. It's called Sakura, but I don't know why I just figured that out. It's so pretty. So it is pretty thick. I do see how that's shock resistant. Considering that this has liquid on it, it's not that thick. You know what I mean? Right, this deserves a montage. Next up, okay, this is looking really cute packaging alone. So it says here, this is for your iPhone. I need my space. Again, transparent liquid glitter case with moving glitter pieces, liquid effect, but this one's glow in the dark and it's also antimicrobial. So let us check this out. Same features except for the glow in the dark element. I'm excited to see that. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. So the writing on this is hollow. I need my space. And ooh, oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that, dude. It is more or less the same size and thickness as the Sakura one. I can't get over, look. And look, there's a cute astronaut. Ooh, they're all falling. Look, that astronaut is so cute. Oops. Bumped into a planet. Okay, I really like this one. I know I usually like the pink ones, but this is my favorite thus far. I mean, is it gonna be one of those things where my favorite one is gonna be the last thing I unbox? Watch till the end to see. It might be because, wow, these are cute. Wait, before the next one, a montage. Right, on to the next. Now, this is basically the same Sakura case, but what's so different? Let me show you guys. Says here, this is a durable impact resistant casing with adjustable neck strap. You guessed it, guys, this has a strap. This says it can withstand a 13 feet drop. What? Why would you drop your phone 13 feet? Don't do that. Adjustable cord and ooh, anti-scratch. On the side, it's the same thing. The box is just slightly bigger. And this says that this is made from premium materials, easy access to your phone. Ooh, straps are adjustable. Impact scale, tough, semi-tougher, tougher, ultra tough, and like, I don't know, impenetrable, but yeah, it's on in between tough and tougher. And on the slim case, it is under slim. I'm not sure if this is the same Sakura case then. Let us see. Ooh, okay, I gotcha. It seems that it's actually a different case. So it has the same pretty Sakura design. Pretty. Though as you can see here, it is thinner. It is a little flexy, but not so much. So I'm pretty sure that still helps if you drop your phone or what. But what it does have, and this is something I'm pretty sure a lot of girls will appreciate, because even I got a case with straps for my other iPhone, my iPhone 11. This comes with hoops that connect to this strap, which you can adjust. So that is a mechanism you just press, and wow, that is a long strap. So the ends sort of look like this. They remind me of shoelaces, but nicer shoelaces. And that strap is actually pretty long, so you have the choice to wear it like on one shoulder, crossbody, on your neck. So many different choices. And yes, we'll try this out even if I don't have the phone yet, for reference. We are far from over, folks, because we still have a couple cases. This is the Ombre Sparkle case, and let me just show you something. Ta-da! This is my iPhone 11, and I actually adore this case. Look at the glitters, look at the sparkle. Yeah. It says here that this has impact protection, antimicrobial, glitter effect. Same thing. On the back, it details that it has 3-in-1 features: glitter, color fade, and translucent. Still well protected though. Wireless charge compatible, and yes, I have tried this with the case I have on. Easy access, tough frame. So on the impact scale, we get the same rating in between tough and tougher, and this is under slim. Pretty. What I actually absolutely love about this case is that it does give your phone protection, but it's not too thick. It's not too thin either. And look at those pretty glitters. Look. I mean. Another one. Ooh, diamond. Durable impact resistant casing with diamond facet design, antimicrobial, anti-scratch, translucent frame, and diamond effect. On the back, it says tough frame, charge compatible, easy access, and on the slimness scale, that is in the middle of ultra slim and slim. So this should be slimmer than the other ones we've unboxed. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I know it doesn't look it, but it's actually flat, you guys. But it doesn't look flat. It's amazing. So it is thin. Actually very similar to the glitter ombre one. Right, montage! And finally, guys, on to the watch straps. Now we have two. And before I open these, let me just remind you, I still also do not have my Apple Watch. So as soon as I get that, I will be trying these on the watch. In the meantime, let's unbox because I still also want to see. Right, so this looks familiar because this is the green version of the ombre strap, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically there's a green version of this. I saw it for the first time in Berlin when I was at IFA, when I discovered LAUT for the first time. And yeah, there is a matching pink ombre case and strap and a green one as well. So this says that it's genuine leather. Nice. And it will fit all these watches. Good, because I ordered an SE. On the back, it tells us that it is made from the most incredible glitter genuine leather. I'm curious to see this. So yeah, let's open it up. Ooh, pull to open. Oh, it's the other way. Ooh, wow, that looks like a mermaid. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Tiny LAUT branding on the buckle there. Man, I cannot get over this. Like, look, you guys, that is actual texture too. It's not smooth, it's not plastic. And on the back it does say LAUT, and that it's genuine leather. I mean, you can even see the stitching there. Nice. Nice. Look, I love these. Now I'm even more excited about my watch. And finally, we have this, which is a little less exciting, but I think pretty useful for people who work out. Active 2 sports watch strap with metal button. Also works with these watches. Yeah, I'm not even gonna read that anymore. Nice. Okay, this is less dazzling but more utilitarian, I think. So they're pretty sturdy, they have a nice texture, and they have these metallic buttons. There you go, that's a perfect fit. Nice.
That was it for a quick unboxing. LAUT definitely did not disappoint. Those glitter cases are still blowing my mind. If anything, this just makes me more excited to get my hands on my iPhone 12 mini so I can unbox that for you and shop for even more cute cases and show you guys, because I will have an iPhone 12 mini cute case haul as well. Stay tuned. That's it for today. Let me know if you guys have questions. LAUT does have even more cases on their website. I'll link them down below. Definitely one of my iPhone go-to case brands ever since I met them in IFA in Berlin and saw their really cute iPhone 11 cases. Right, that's it for today. See you on the next cute case haul. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.